Yadduka n'ebintu byo atya mwava ku ki?
Tubali boyfriend and girlfriend. So we were staying together. I was staying with him, my home. Yeah.
Mubaze ne Fik ebbanga ki?
I met him on August last year.
Omumeetinga otya omusinkana mutya?
Bade mukwano gwange. So like that day I was have a party at home. So my friend was there who calling Marco. So after some time Marco yangamba alina mukwano gwe amukubira esimu nagamba it is okay, you can call him. Yeah, it's how we meet.
Najja na kukwana oba?
No, he was there. Then after party finish, then Marco called me and tell like his friend, like he liked me. So I don't have his number. Marco give me his number. Then we start to chat with a guy.
Ebiseera ebyo yali alina luyimba ki?
Banana, but I don't think many people there was it. It was banana, yeah.
Kati bwe mwatandika okweyagala n'omuwasa oba?
No, he came my home. So after that, he stayed our first day, second day. So the first day it was like a go and come back. Then end of that time, I saw like he was not moving at home. Yeah, and me, I was like, I can't chase him. So we start to stay together like that. Yeah.
Fik Gaza alina omwana omuto gw'atambula naye. Oyo mwana wuwo ne Fik Gaza oba?
No, he's another man.
Naye nga wuwo?
Yes, mwana wange.
Navu nga yali nnene etuuka okugaba omwana n'atandika otambula n'abantu abayimbi bwe bati?
No, tubadde tubeera ffenna waka. So abadde just amutwala, just they move together. So and me, I can't like stop. No, don't go with my son. No. Yeah.
Fik Gaza atuuka atya okutwala ebintu byo okuva mu nnyumba?
That one I don't know, because that time he's shifting. I was not around. I was this side of Luaf on his house. So that time I see like guy treat me bad and many boys at home. So like I was not free. So I decided to be at this side of Luafu. Then I left him there in Maziga. Yeah.
Okugamba ku kyokutreatinga bad otegeeza ki? Yali takuwa mmere?
It's not about Mele. Like he abused me, he beat me. Yeah.
Ebbanga eryo lyonna lye mumadde ne Fik Gaza kuva August paka kati newe mutuuse okwawukanira wali tomufunanga muko olubuto kubanga mukulu tugambe girlfriend and boy?
Yeah, I got Nalufuna. Then he was treat me bad. I got miscarriage. Yeah, I got miscarriage. The pregnant was for 3 months. Yeah.
Eno ennyumba gy'ogambe wa Fik Gaza eruwafu gye wateranga okubeera ya Fik Gaza oba nayo yiyo?
No, it was for Fik Gaza. But we have a plan like we can open there as a spa, massage spa. So he told me and I put my money there. I opened the spa there. Then end of that time, like so I leave the work. So I decided to move some of my stuff. Yeah.
So kwegamba mu njogera ennyangu obadde Shuga mami wa Fik Gaza? Nga ogamba badde ng'omuteeka mu ssente gw'oteeka mu biki?
No, it's not like that. I was just helping him as my boyfriend. Yes, I was supporting him. Yeah.
Bw'abalabala Fik Gaza badde bakamuteekamu nga ssente mmeka?
Ne 30 million zituuka. Yeah.
Kibi kyennyo Fik Gaza kye yakola ne mutuuka n'okutuuka Fik Gaza akeere ku makyase agende n'ebintu byo nga taggana?
No, it was like a landlord. He was telling us to move because of a lot of people, lot of guys there. Yeah. So that time also we was not talking well, me and him, because he was like asking me money for renting another house. Then I told him like landlord is going to pay one month, that is 3 million. So means right now we shall look another what? Another at least a small house. At least for 1.5. So we agree like that. So after that was asking me the money. Then me I refuse. I say already landlord is give you how much? 3 million. Also you can top up what is there. What is missing. So for me him tell me like that, yanyiga. Like even he broke me everywhere because I stopped to do what? To add money for rent. So after that I had him he shift without me to know. Yeah. So and shifting it took all my stuff, when my clothes for my kids, all the stuff for the inside was mine. So it shifted all.
Fik Gaza okutuka okutwala bino ebintu ekibuuzo kinene tunnakyenzera mu wabaddewa.
Mbadde Luwafu, it's already I was moved that place because of like mbadde sina mirembe, so I decided to be far with him. Yeah.
Ennyumba eno Fik Gaza badde agikoleramu biki ebirala by'otannaba kwagala kwatuukiriza?
Yeah?
Ennyumba gye mubaddemu gye mwali mulibeeramu abadde akoleramu biki ebirala ebyo ebikunyiiza ennyo?
No, just of bring different peoples every day. Yeah. And all the bayari, like, so I was not fleeing.
So kati Fik Gaza oyagala akukolera eki for now?
Nze njagala just ebintu byange n'ezo sente za security, because now I have nothing, so that money I want it to start over. Yeah.
Wakomawo n'akwetonda?
No, I don't need him anymore.
Wamukubiddeko essimu n'oyogera naye nga ebintu bamaze obbitwala?
Ogamba ki?
Wamukubiddeko ko Fik Gaza essimu n'oyogera naye nga ebintu bamaze obbitwala?
Yes, I used to call, but he was broke me everywhere. You understand? So one time when I used another number to call him, that time he knows, that time we talk, I told him bring my things, I want my things. Then he told me, where are you? I bring your things. I direct him, but he didn't bring my things. Then I call him again on same number, but that time he know that number, he didn't pick me again. Yeah.
Ani yagambye nti Fik Gaza yatutte ebintu kubanga oyinza okwogera nga si ye yabitutte?
I got myself there, and also I saw him on TikTok. He posted on a new house with my stuff.
Ebintu bye yatutte mu nnyumba bibalirirwamu ssente mmeka?
See, once we're 50 million. Yeah. I'm a businesswoman. I can't tell because I have the people which I have share with them. Yeah, we are partners, so I can't tell that. Byamakulu, I can say it is fun, and the money which I will support him about his music. Lingangamba the manager way, but I will support him as my boyfriend. Yeah, to push his music. And that time I met him, no one was know him. So that time he was with me, I used my money to support him, and just why now world knows him. So that time world knows him, he treat me bad, like yatandika funa. Understand? Eh? Yeah. No, I didn't do anything. But the time it was like he's going to kill me. He's not going to give me even the spoon. So it's a day which I go to the police to report. Yes, I'll report for the police. Yeah, I'll difference I have it. Yeah.
Lwaki Fik Gaza n'ogamba abadde nga boyfriend we abeewammwe babadde tebamumanyi?
Gamba ki?
Abeewammwe babadde tebamanyi Fik Gaza?
No one.
Kubanga omuntu yandyetaaze okumanya eyo relationship ebadde ekuze lwaki obeera tomulopayeko mu bakulu beewaka?
No, you know me, I'm not from Uganda. I'm from Tanzania. So and here I don't have anyone. I don't have any relative here. So it is me and my friend. So like I can't go like Tanzania and go say I have boyfriend. I get no. So yeah. So just why even my family doesn't know him, but his mom, she knows me. So because one time he came, yeah, that time I was sick. I was sick about that pregnant. Then like Fik, he don't care anything about me, like he treat me bad. So I decided to call his mom. So his mom came here, like he came to help me. Yeah. So means I can say his mom was knows me. No, 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 no. It's because I do send Bintu byange. Nechilala like kungamba, he's going to kill me. Like anywhere he's going to look and up to he find me where I'm staying, then he will kill me or he'll put fire on the house which I'm going to be gate. Yeah.
So for now you're homeless?
For now I'm homeless. I don't have even clothes to change. He find me have the house. I'm renting my house for 3 million. But now I'm homeless. I don't have anywhere to sleep. Huh? I sleep for my friend. Yeah. I sleep for my friend. No, mwana mwina. So that time I took my son is a time which my son got an accident, and he showed me like he can't even treat my son. Is a day which I took my son to the hospital, and is a day which I took from him. Yeah.